Okay, so we stopped and we had a little break for lunch, and then we were.
What lunch? Fries and drink.
LeBron said what lunch. So we ended up ordering Grubhub. We are going to do a review of all our orders this week and say who did good and who did bad.
All zeros.
So they giving Jack in the Box right now a 0 rating. Because go ahead and explain, LeBron, since it was your experience. You've been having all the experiences today.
I have 3 items: 6 chicken tenders, freaking curly fries, and a drink. Ended up with curly fries and a drink.
So, you heard him clearly. He ordered and they did not have his chicken strips in our order.
Freaking appetizer.
But they did bring us these rather large cups of
chug jugs.
Chug jugs, he said, of soda. Well, LeBron had lemonade. And so we are talking about ounces and stuff as well. Go ahead, ma'am. You can tell what you have.
Okay. I have the mini spicy taco tacos. Mini spicy tacos. And I got some curly fries. And a soda.
And actually it's leaving a nasty taste in my mouth. Honestly.
It was good.
So LeBron was trying to figure out where I saw how much was in the cup. I told him it's on the bottom in small writing. If you turn it right before the parentheses, see how they did the conversion.
I said 44 ounces.
They also did a conversion for you. The same thing you just did on their chart, they converted the 44 ounce into milliliters. So this will be a project too.
Yeah.
I don't know why, but I just saw.
See if they telling the truth or not.
I treated it like
so that's what we gotta add to this. All what we learning this week.
And that's just a theory, a food theory.
So it was 44.
Channel, making a food theory channel where we analyze food and stuff.
So I wonder if that's 44 ounces. How many ounces do you think you're supposed to drink of soda a day? Probably 0.
Just still lying to soda, people.
We know you're supposed to drink at least this much water. Are you drinking this much water?
You say soda though, just one day, it's healthy.
I get a lot of water.
Not necessarily.
Lemonade has sugar.
It's not got sugar.
Yeah, of course it has sugar.
Water has sugar too.
Who?
Water has sugar too.
No, it don't unless you put sugar in it.
That's
Water.
natural sugar.
No. Natural from what?
If we put sugar in water, it's nasty. If you put sugar in water,
okay, get your clean your stuff up. Whoever did that, take that
what
back
stuff?
in there. This
all I had.
Whatever you had.
This is what they brought me.
I don't give a care if it was horse manure. You need to
get horse manure.
Don't drop that on the ground. You look it up.
It's probably horse poopy.
It is.
Can I save the rest?
Yes, close it up. There's a trash right here. I don't know where you going, buddy.
This is so cute. It's so cute. Like food is in a robot. What dog is this?
I don't know where we left off in the last video, but we figured out our problem. According to our math, which we're going to go back and review this again, we have a 1 cent difference between the Kroger and the Amazon. We did not figure out how much. That's what we need to do. Figure how much for Walmart. Now, LeBron, you put the last one in, so you should know how to put this one in to figure out the ounce. And we know about where we should be. So let's do, what are we doing? We didn't do the Walmart one, so we finna do that one real quick. So it should be 174 divided by 33.8. We just figured out how to do decimals, so they say you move it over one. So
it's 5.
38. 5 what?
Cents.
Thank you. Don't do that.
It's 5 cents.
So he said it's 5 cents. What you get exactly? 0.05 what?
0.05 147 9289.
Okay, great. So,
Sorry, it's small.
so it's even cheaper at Walmart.
Yeah, one more time. You can't though.
It's even cheaper at Walmart. So then, like I said, when we do our final review, because it's going to be a whole long situation, we're going to drag this out until we can't drag it out no more.
Yay.
So, at Walmart, it's cheaper. So now when you do your final review, not only are you just comparing Walmart, you got to compare their shipping, their prices, their monthly fee. But we've had some bad experiences this week.
Just so y'all know, if y'all see this is mine.
Well, not necessarily this week. Last week, what happened last week?
Pandemic broke out. Biden.
What?
Boy, heck no.
Biden said you had.
We talking about Kroger and the ice experience. Who want to talk about that?
Oh, wait a
Oh,
minute.
yeah.
Kroger.
So which one you think is worse, Kroger or Jack in the Box?
Jack in the Box.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with Jack in the Box too.
I'm gonna go with Jack in the Box.
Bro,
But their
come on.
tacos were good though. I'm not gonna
Tacos-
lie.
They gave me fries.
But what happened
Probably
with
so
Kroger?
bad.
Cause we don't wanna
drink. Where's my chicken tenders?
Calm down.
You're really mad. You want chicken
Where's my
tenders.
chicken tenders?
He
Okay.
really
I
want
need a
chicken
free gift
tenders.
code to get 6
I need to
chicken
know.
tenders. Damn, I need my food.
I need to know what happened with Kroger last week. And if the chicken tenders are on the porch. Do somebody want to check to see if the chicken tenders are on the
gonna be on no porch.
But you're going to go check.
I
That
bet
boy
it is.
ate them.
Tell me
I
what.
bet it is.
Ashley, nobody's answering my question. Can you tell me what happened with the Krogers?
I don't remember.
Take a deep thought. What happened with the Kroger? Or,
Ashland Evil Boy and Small Belly ate the chicken tenders.
I haven't even ate chicken tenders in a long
I
time.
guess
Which one is
LeBron is
small
gonna be the
belly?
only one who able to tell me. Now I bet you Walmart got their stuff together. That's gonna be our last test, cause we're gonna be out of
No,
money
we
anyway.
need V-Bucks.
Boy, the PlayStation do not work, and I am happy to say I don't know how to feel about it. But,
I got a Switch, you know.
huh?
I can play Fortnite on the Switch still.
It's my Switch though.
You don't have it.
Well, still, it's my Switch. My daddy bought it.
You can't even spell Switch.
Yes, I can.
Okay, stay tuned to the rest of our videos for what happened with the Kroger order, because
And the PlayStation.
nobody don't remember. Oh, and the PlayStation.
Psych. Ha,
Is it two? It says two we make
Stop that.
Wait, I can switch the motherboard out of the old PlayStation.
No, you can stop.
Wait,
That probably
Stay-
might work.
stay-
No.
stay tuned.
Blow up something.
Wait. Like before you bought that, I want to say, stay tuned for the
Work that you're gonna be doing.
no. The Rice
Oh,
Krispie
just-
treats.
just
Stay
for
tuned
science
into the
purposes.
Rice Krispie treats.
I'm doing that for just science purposes. It shouldn't do it on
What?
PlayStation.
We're gonna go outside for a second. Y'all gonna get some sunlight.
And I can do the PlayStation stuff outside. Let's go.
What? That's from 4 to 5.
It's for
Date what it is.
mother. I can do it outside. It's no problem with that.
You're not gonna tell me. I'm
I
gonna
found
tell you.
exactly what I wanted.
I know. Yay. He said it was coming. Something was coming on.
So,
Not there. Not there.
dead.
The crust is so good.
Why did he cussing his mouth off?
The crispy crust with this hot, whatever it's called.